Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set alphanumeric lock screen password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First, you got to go to the settings. Then go to lock screen. Go to lock screen. And here select screen lock and biometrics. And you go to here select password. Here you can type password with minimum 4 characters including one letter. Okay, so this is called alphanumeric password. So here I just write Mingy 7. So at least one letter should be used. Okay, yes, and click on continue. Again type the same password to verify. Okay, so you go to again type the same. Here I go to type Mingy 7. Okay, yes, click on OK. Now this Mingy 7 is the alphanumeric password for my phone. Okay, now lock your phone and try to unlock. While unlocking, it is asking password. You have to enter the password that you have set. I have set Mingy 7 and click on tick mark. Yes, phone is unlocked. So in this way, you can easily set alphanumeric lock screen password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.